Hey everyone, here's how to send over your crypto from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance straight to a layer 2 solution like Loopring. So if we head over to LayerSwap, enter the amount you'd like to send, select which exchange you'd like to send from, click which layer 2 you'd like to send to, so let's click Loopring. Enter your layer 2 account, and just below you'll see how much it will cost to send your crypto from your Coinbase account straight to Loopring's layer 2. And this is a great way to avoid paying multiple gas fees. And soon, instead of just having to send Ethereum, you'll be able to send your LRC or Loopring tokens directly from your Coinbase account to Loopring's layer 2. And when you're ready, let's click on swap now. Next, you'll come to LayerSwap, letting you know that they use Bransfer to transfer your crypto from your centralized exchange to a layer 2 solution like Loopring. And if you haven't registered with them, all you need is an email address and password. So type in the email address you'd like to use, enter the password, and once you're ready, let's log in with the account we just registered. Next, you'll see that LayerSwap is asking you to connect your Coinbase account. And before you connect, LayerSwap is asking if you can authorize a certain amount to be sent from Coinbase to Loopring. Remember this amount, we'll need it later. And when you're ready, click connect. And once you click connect, it will ask you to sign into your Coinbase account to allow Bransfer to start sending crypto from your centralized exchange to the layer 2 that you selected, like Loopring. Verify that it's you. And here, you'll be asked to authorize that you're allowing Bransfer to access your Coinbase account. And just underneath, you'll see how much you're allowing Bransfer to send. So remember the amount we were asked to authorize? If we click on change this amount, we can match how much we were asked to authorize before. Enter how much you'd allow Bransfer to send. Click save. And when you're ready, click authorize. And now you're ready to confirm that you're wanting to send your crypto from Coinbase to Loopring's layer 2. Verify that it's you sending the payment. And now we just let LayerSwap process that payment. And once the swap has been successful, you can log into your Loopring account, head to your transactions, and see that your payment has been processed with minimum fees. No need to pay multiple gas fees, no need to connect any wallets. Simple and straight from your Coinbase account to your Loopring account. And soon, you'll be able to send more for cheaper as more people start using this.